I'm Matt with Ram Clutches, and I'm here with Mike, and we're going to talk about our Concept 10.5 dual disc and how to determine what size is best for you.
Now the Concept 10.5 is produced either to fit 10.5-inch bolt patterns or 11-inch, 12-inch patterns, depending on the manufacturer. If you're looking at the segments that hold the floater plate, the 11-inch segment's actually wider than the 10.5-inch. It's important to select the correct one to make sure it's going to fit your flywheel properly.
Now, if you know the size of your existing clutch, it's pretty easy. You can just measure your old clutch. But if you're unsure, you can watch a previous video that we made to determine what bolt pattern your existing flywheel has.
Now, as I mentioned, they're different for the 10.5 and the 11-inch bolt patterns, and within each one of these are several bolt patterns, which will line up with different Ford, GM, or Chrysler applications. And those mounting holes are determined based on the bolt pattern for your existing flywheel. And what you want to do is use the color-coded chart that comes with your Concept 10.5 instruction sheet to help you determine which is the proper set of bolt holes to line up with on the flywheel. Also note that you're going to have both the standard American and the metric patterns are in these, so if it's 10.5, it's going to be any 10.5-inch clutch. If it's 11 or 12-inch, it's going to fit those same ones.
And the key to the Concept 10.5 unit is the floater and segment assembly. So all you have to do is take the assembly, put it on your flywheel, line up the correct holes. Note that the segments do move slightly, so it gets a very precise fitment, and there is supplied specifically machined bolts that go in and align the segments perfectly.
Now, it's a really good idea to take some time and make sure you get the right unit the first time on this and save you a little bit of time. The worst thing it could possibly be is your Saturday morning all ready to install your new clutch and oops, I picked the wrong one out. So use that color-coded chart. Use the instructions we help you with in our video on determining the flywheel bolt patterns to make sure you get the right unit the first time.